Hello guys, I don't know why my webcam isn't on, it's just not working. And today we're going to be playing as the Puppet Master. So yeah, I'm back. So choose Steve since we're a guy. I just chose my old skin for some reason. And guys, I'm going to be starting a new series on my own. Oh yeah. So let's just name it after me. Oh. There we go. Oh, you have to press done. Okay, well, we're starting now. Okay. Just getting some wood. For some reason the sound isn't going through on my earphones, so there's no point to be wearing these. Okay, mouse. Let's put it back in. There we go. Still mining wood. Oh, breaking wood. Don't know why I didn't leave the stump. Okay, I'll be back. Finally done mining this tree. Okay. Oh, an apple. Found an apple in a tree. But I didn't take it out of the tree. There's a difficulty up. Maybe I should put the difficulty on that much. Maybe you guys will be able to hear the stuff in Minecraft. Yes, finally. It looks like a nice place to build a house. Just to start a house, not build a house. Why would I do that? Because I'm probably gonna move. Probably move on like episode 5 of this or something. Why do I keep on doing this? Art. Okay. Let's see what we can make with that. One crafting table. Thank you. There we go. Now that. That. Oops. That. Okay, I've got an axe and a pickaxe. So now I'm going to mine some stone so that I can get stone tools. Even though I'm not even using my axe, just using my pickaxe. Just wasted wood for no reason. Should have thought about this. Cobblestone. So now, why? Do that and do that and get that. Oh, that's how we do it without using all of them. And that's I hope you guys can see this. Oh, now I'm going to be back. Just made a bed. That's all. I'm going to mine some sugar cane. What is it? Oh, it's a sheep. Stray sheep. Oh, can't get up the water. Yeah. When I get a new PC, then I'll have better recording stuff so I can like add stuff to the screen while it's still going. But right now I can't. Well, I think I can add writing. Yeah, I think that's all I can add. Oh, so much leather. And also, I also got meats. And I was just... Oh no! No, zombie! Oh no! Oh, this is bad. My difficulty is like so little and there's already zombies. I was just staying up all night and then I found a zombie chasing me. That's the reason why I was up all night. Oh no. Why can't I kill it? There we go. Why won't it work? There we go. Why is it... Oh. Wondering why it isn't working. Why it wasn't working. Oh no. Oh shizness! Wow. That is scary. Should probably head back home then. Where it's not safe at all. No, it isn't safe. That skeleton will kill me. I need to build a house. Your life Depends on you. Okay, I'm just gonna turn around since my left depends on me. I'll just go and build a house cause I'm just scared. That's tiny. That's very. Oh no! I died. No. Oh, there's where I died. That's not that far. Oh no, skeleton! Oh. In the new update, skeletons are so hard to kill. Go towards them, they push you away. Go towards them, they push you away. Go towards them, they push you away with their arrows. With arrows, not with their hands. That would just be crazy. Why is it not Googly Island? Maybe I should make a bed for any visitors. Why won't this button work? Most of the time it doesn't work. Oh no. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. This button is what he dropped a carrot. That is so rare to find, I think. I'm making a spare bed. Why do you keep on killing me?